Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I have gone back to my first liquidation love. Yes, bulk.com is where we really got started doing liquidation cases and pallets. We do have some pallets en route, so don't worry. If you've been missing the pallets, you're going to see them. We have got tons of deliveries, as you can see around me. Our popcorn is in. Woo woo. So we have 3 new flavors on Hooked on Pickin, so check it out right now. We've got s'mores, we have Southwest habanero, and cinnamon crunch. So those are the 3 flavors: s'mores, Southwest habanero, and cinnamon crunch. We also have a ton of new product in these boxes as well. I think, are these 888 lots boxes? I think maybe.
I think you're right, yeah.
So we'll be doing lots of unboxings, but we're going to see what's in this bulk box. This is all brand new product. I think it's some sort of a clothing item, if I'm trying to remember right. So we're going to get inside, see what's in here. I spent $195 total on this box, and that's fully shipped. So we're going to find out, can we make money on this? And I do believe that I think I'm going to try to put everything on hookedonpickin.com, so you can just go straight there to find everything. So let's see what's inside. All right. Opening a bulk case. It's been so long. Ooh, lots of boxes. Shoes, that's right. Okay, so there are lots of brand new shoes in here. So all the shoes will be available on hookedonpickin.com. So I usually put my shoes on Poshmark, but I know not a lot of you have a Poshmark account. So I just said, you know what? If they're going to see it here, let's put it on hookedonpickin.com. Plus, I don't have to charge as much because of the fees. So this is a Journey Collection footwear. Oh my goodness, look at those. Those are a nice pair of gray, kind of suede looking boots. Zipper back with a tassel there. So what size are these? Let's look and see. I'll pull this out and see what size it is. It is size 9. Women's size 9 gray boots.
What size do you wear?
I wear an 8. So sorry anybody who wears an 8, I might be stealing some shoes. Actually, I have way too many shoes, so I shouldn't steal shoes. So, all right, then we have in here, ooh, those are cute. Sandals. Very, very cute sandals. So these are called Eastland. They are also a women's medium, which is the width, size 9. So that's a traditional width. Look at how squishy those are. Love that. Memory
Perfect time
foam.
of the year.
Perfect time of the year. So another pair of women's size 9. All the people that wear smaller than that are like, come on, where's my size? All right, here's a pair of Keds. There you go. Ooh, these look like a bigger size even. These are Keds. Women's Keds. Sometimes Keds can be unisex. These are 11 medium. Sorry, yeah, 11. Size 11. And they look like a women's 11. So, which would also be a men's 9. Because Keds are sometimes unisex. But it's a women's medium. Dream foam. All right.
Does it say ladies on the box?
It does not say either. But since these are a 9 and that's an 11, that looks about right. So I think they're a women's 11. But Keds are sometimes unisex.
It says
and so
ladies first since 1916 on the Keds box.
Oh, does it?
Does it?
Yes, it does. I don't read. I'm just looking at the pretty shoes. All right, so ladies 11. All right, then we've got
shoes are those?
Nikes. Nikes. All right, these are called Nike SB Charge slip-on shoes. They are a size men's 7.5, women's 9. Men's 7.5, women's 9. So this is also.
So I can see the box real quick.
Oh yeah. See?
Boom.
Boom.
That's awesome.
Yep. All right, we're going to also price everything at the end, so make sure you stay tuned. You know exactly how much each pair of shoes cost. Move these over so we can lay them all out. Ooh, look at that. There's a wedge for you. They're Toms. These are Toms heels, 8.5. I could take these and be just as tall as Paul.
There you go.
So they're Toms. Toms size 8.5 women's. Got another pair of Toms here. Let's see, are they the same shoe? Just a different size maybe. Same shoe. These are 6s. These are 6s. So we have an 8.5 and we have a pair of 6s, and they're the exact same shoe. It's got a little bit of stretch here too, so that's nice and for comfort.
Cool.
All right, got another pair of Eastland. Are they the same sandals? We'll see. Ooh, these are cute. Pull those out so you can kind of see them a little better. I'll put them down here, and then I'm going to look and see what size it is. It is a size women's 9, wide. These are women's wide 9. So women's Eastland, size 9. I'll put that in there just to keep it all nice and protected. Put that back up here. All right, what else we got? Ooh, some Skechers. Skechers Go Walks. Ooh, black ones. Ooh, those feel nice and flexible. Skechers Go Walks. Machine washable, it says. They are a size women's 8. So it's like a tennis shoe, but it's a nice grip on the bottom.
These line up? No.
I don't know. That'd be fun, though. No, it's machine washable, so my guess is they don't. Electrocute yourself when you wash them. You'll go walking to the hospital. Yeah, those are sharp. So we've got Eastland and Skechers and Nikes and Keds and Toms. All right.
Man.
I know. Good brands, and they're all brand new. We should open up a shoe shop. All right. Keds, another pair, different style there. And these ones are size 11. Size 11. Double decker, ladies first, dream foam, everyday comfort, size 11, women's white Keds. These are nice and breathable. All right, just a few more in here. Okay, this box is sideways and crazy looking. All right, these look like running shoes. Don't those look cool? They're totally open, look.
No, that's cool.
Yeah, let me pull this out. See? You can see through them.
I wonder if are they a water shoe or just a running shoe?
Let me look. Because they kind of look like a water shoe, don't they?
Like you could wear those
They're size 11. Multifunctional series of sport exercise shoes suitable for water wading, rafting, tubing, kayaking, trail running, and paddleboarding.
Yeah.
So you can use them as a water shoe, and they're a size 11 gray and purple pair of rock sock is what they're called. Rock socks. Well, I guess that makes sense. See? Showing paddleboarders. Anybody try to paddleboard? I was really good at paddleboarding.
Yeah, you were.
Yep. I could paddleboard really good.
You're going to do it again, too.
I am.
Okay.
We're going on vacation, and I'm going to do some paddleboarding. We'll see if I can stand up. So,
Do it.
Paul believes in me. All right. One more pair in here. Keds. Oh, okay. So they're the same as the ones right here. Are they the same size? Let me put those down here. Sorry. All right. And they are size 10. So we have a size 10 and a size 11 in this style. So these are all the shoes. We're going to go ahead and price each and every one. So we know exactly. There was no rhyme or reason. I have 2 shoes out in some and 1 shoe's out in other just to drive Paul crazy. And for those of you who are OCD out there, I did it just for you to just say, you know what, just accept it. Just accept it. No, it's driving me crazy right now too. So we'll make it look uniform and we'll price everything and be right back. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Okay, we've got everything priced. So if you would like to buy these, listen clearly because I've got all the sizes and all the prices. They'll be available on hookedonpickin.com is where you're going to find all of these shoes, okay? So we've got the women's size 11 kind of water shoes, all terrain, $19.99 for this size 11 water shoe. Then up here we have for $39.99 a size 10 medium women's Ked slip-on shoes, Dream Foam on the inside. So $39.99 for the size 10 medium women's white shoe. Then we have another Keds, exact same price, $39.99. This one is a size 11 medium women's shoe for that one. Then $29.99 for this size 8 slip-on Skechers Go Walk shoe. Slip-on Skechers Go Walk shoe, $29.99 for them. And they all come with their boxes. A lot of these had Kohl's stickers on them, so I think they're shelf pulls from Kohl's where they never got bought. And so they pulled them from the shelf, and so they're in great condition, all brand new. All right, this one here is $39.99 for a 9 wide for this cute little Eastland sandal. Eastland sandal kind of has a pewter look to it there. Very, very comfortable straps, so they're not going to cut into you. Size 9 wide for the women's pewter Eastland sandal. Then we have for $39.99, size 9, nice wedge. You want some height? There you go. And the cool thing is shoes like this usually will cut into the top of your foot. This one has a bit of a stretch and give, and it's designed right into the shoe to look really super cute. So this is a nice size 9 cork wedge shoe, and it is a Tom's brand. Tom's, look at even the back. It says Tom's right there. I don't know if you can read that real well, but this one is a size 9, and it is a size 9 wide.
Sold at Kohl's for $80.
Sold at Kohl's for $80. All right, so then we have an 8.5, a size 8.5 there for the women's shoes. Size 8.5 for the women's, same thing, for the nice Tom's wedge. So, alrighty, then we have the Nike. This is our only unisex shoe, so it's men's and women's, and it's listed that way. So for $29.99, you get this really nice sharp Nike shoe, and it is pretty thick padding around here, so it's going to be nice and comfortable for you. $29.99. If you were a male, you're going to wear a size 9. If you're a lady, you're going to wear a 7.5. So men's.
What kind of Nike?
This is a Nike SB. Nike SB. So, actually, I'm wondering if we don't have the...
It's right there.
Yep. So it looks like we have...
SB charge slip?
Yep. Men's is 7.5. Women's is size 9. We had that backwards. Sorry.
Oh, yeah, we did.
Men's is 7, or the women's is 9, and the men's is 7.5. Paul Hooks. All right. So flip it. So men's is 7.5, women's is size 9. Men's is 7.5, women's size 9. All right, then we have the Keds here, $29.99. This is a size 11 medium. This is a Keds, really nice. It has the Dream Foam inside it as well. Just like the Keds we saw at the beginning with the white dots on it. This one is just a solid one, really, really nice, sharp. And it's a flexible canvas on there, so it's going to be nice and comfortable. So 11 medium, women's size 11 medium, $29. Then we have a 9 medium. This is the cutest sandal ever. If it was my size, I would have kept it. So it's a good thing it's not. So we'll make it available to you guys. $29.99. It is black in color. And really nice leather straps here. $29.99 for the Eastland shoe with the memory foam. This looks really, really soft and comfy. And so that's going to be a nice, comfortable shoe. $29.99, size 9. All right, and then last but not least, and I have one more thing to say about a couple of the shoes back here that I might have forgot. So $19.99 for this cute little boot wedge. $19.99. And the only reason why we made this a little bit cheaper is because, you know, open-toed shoes is kind of what's going right now. So this is a closed-toed shoe, so we thought, well, let's discount it a little bit. $19.99 for the women's size 9 kind of gray boot. Also, one thing I did want to let you know is these Keds here and the Nikes are leather. They have some leather on them. But the Keds are genuine leather, and so really, really nice, brand new shoes. So hopefully you guys find some that you like. Go to hookedonpickin.com. But all in all, the total came to $359.89 for all of these shoes. We paid $195 for the box, all totally shipped. And so we didn't quite double our money, but we're going to do pretty well if we can sell them at these prices. And most of these prices are half off. So, or over half off. There were some that were around the $50 mark, and we made them over half off. So $164.89 of profit. So not too bad. Hopefully it's been fun to see all these awesome shoes. And we don't have shoes on Hooked on Pickin, but now we do. So check out hookedonpickin.com to buy any of these. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Who wants some popcorn? I do. Look at all this glorious popcorn. There are billions of bags of popcorn in here. Well, not quite billions, but there's a lot of bags of popcorn. I think 3 cases of 18 bags of popcorn each. And we have them on our store. They're called Bell's Gourmet Popcorn. They come in 6-cup bags, and there's a variety of flavors. But I wanted to share with you at hookedonpickin.com, we just added 3 brand new flavors. So we've got really fun ones that have already been there, but our 3 brand new ones are Cinnamon Crunch, yummy, S'mores, perfect because I feel like it's camping season right now, and Southwest Habanero for the spicy ones in your life. So go ahead and go to hookedonpickin.com, check out the cool Bell's Gourmet Popcorn, and pick which flavor you like.